Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the overview of digital payment landscape. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in banking industry, fintech and technology and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. Friend, digital payments are nowadays a very common thing, and most of the people are using mobile apps, internet bankings to perform digital payments. So, digital payments landscape refers to the comprehensive view of the various methods and technologies that facilitate electronic transactions, replacing or complementing traditional forms of payments such as cash, check. So that means you don't need to go to the bank and you have to wait in the line for wait for hour and hour. You just use the digital payment landscape to perform your transaction because it is dynamic and continually evolving due to advancements in technology, changes in consumer behavior and regulatory developments here as well. So first one is the mobile wallets and apps. Basically, friend, mobile wallets and apps are applications that store payment card information on a mobile device, allowing users to make electronic transactions. Like your card detail will be stored in your mobile device, and you can go anywhere, like on the grocery store, any retailer, and you can perform the transaction. So once your card is electronically stored on your mobile device, so your mobile device become a mobile wallet. Like you have a physical wallet in which you have a cash. Similarly, because the mobile device has information, store information about your card, so it will become a mobile wallet. The examples of mobile wallets are Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay and PayPal. Then online banking. Digital payment methods facilitated through online banking platforms, enabling users to transfer funds, pay bills and manage accounts as well. Many banking industry, many banks are nowadays providing the online banking portal, which is nowadays called as IB portal as well, internet banking portal. Basically, it requires an internet connection, and through by using the internet connection, you can open the website or web application of a bank, and once you log in into the IB portal or internet banking, you can perform different tasks, different transactions, pay bills and transfer funds as well. The examples of online banking are bank specific online platforms, because every bank has their own IB portal or internet banking portal, like NEFT, RTGS. So many online banking portals are nowadays available, and it is necessary that you must have an account in the bank to use the online banking portal. Then cryptocurrencies and blockchain, that means digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate on decentralized blockchain technology. Friend, cryptocurrencies nowadays very common, and many banks are moving towards the crypto concept of cryptocurrencies. The very common example of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. So all those are the example of cryptocurrencies and blockchain as well. Then peer-to-peer payment. Friend, peer-to-peer payment is basically a direct transfer of funds between individuals, often facilitated through mobile apps or online platforms. Like for example, I want to send money to you. Like I'm an individual and you are also an individual. Like you are not a corporate and I'm also not a corporate company. So the peer to peer means the transfer between individuals. Okay, so that is called as the concept of P2P or peer to peer. The example of P2P are Venmo, Cash App, PayPal. So all those are the example of peer to peer or P2P payments. Then contactless payments. Print transactions by using the contactless payments made by tapping or waving a contactless card, mobile phone or wearable device near a contactless enabled device. Here just focus on the word contactless. Contactless means that you are not contacting the card with the device. Normally like you have definitely seen that you have to dip the card on a device, payment device, or you have to insert a card, you have to basically dip the card. So the contactless payment means that you are not physically contacting the card with the payment device. You are just waving the card nearby. So that is why it is called as contactless payment. Contactless, that it is not physically contacting with the device. So contactless payments examples are contactless credit card, debit cards, NFC enabled smartphones. So all those are the examples of the contactless payments. Then QR code payments, basically friend, users can scan a QR code to initiate a payment, enabling business to accept payments without the need for physical cards or cash. I'm sure friend that whenever nowadays you can go on any retailer, any cinema hall, you have seen a card, physical card is there, which you will basically scan it and you will pay the payment to the merchant. So these basically those cards are basically are the QR code actually. The example of QR code payments are like mobile wallets, apps like Alipay, WeChat, etc. And these types of QR codes are available on retailer, grocery stores, and cinema halls, ticket management, etc. You have definitely seen such QR codes there as well. Biometric payments means that authentication and authorization of transactions using biometric data such as fingerprints or facial recognition here as well. Friend, biometric payments are possible through ATMs as well. Like you can register your thumb impression and you can perform the payment by using your thumb impression. Also like facial recognition is also best possible, like your face will be recognized by the device and it will store it some in its system, and by using your facial recognition or your fingerprint recognition, the transaction will be performed. Examples are Apple Face ID, fingerprint scanning on smartphones as well. Then in-app payments. Friend, basically payments made within mobile applications for goods and or services are basically the in-app payments. The examples are in-app purchases on mobile games, retail apps and service apps as well. Like for example, you have definitely seen, if you are ever using any game, you can purchase different tokens, different types of weapons, different types of gaming weapons actually. So this is an example of in-app payments. Then voice activated payments means that payment initiated and authorized through voice commands, often integrated into virtual assistants. Examples are Amazon and Alexa for voice activated shopping and payments. Then the Internet of Things payments means that connected devices making payments on behalf of users, often for automated or machine to machine transactions. Smart appliances, connected cars and wearable devices facilitating payments and are example of Internet of Things or IoT.